In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the theme of Microsoft To Do in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to personalize your lists or just freshen up your workspace, this tutorial will walk you through it all. So let's get started with step 1. First, you'll want to open the Microsoft To Do application. This is where all the magic happens. Make sure that you're logged into the correct account, especially if you use multiple accounts, so you don't get diverted into the wrong one. Once you've got Microsoft To Do open, direct your attention to any list of your choice. It could be one you use for grocery shopping, work tasks, or any other category you've already set up. Now, here's where the customizing begins. In the top right corner of the list, you'll find a small yet mighty three-dot menu icon. This symbol, often referred to as More Options, will open up further functionalities. Go ahead and click on it, and you'll be welcomed by a drop-down menu with multiple options. Among these, you will see the Change Theme option. Selecting this will lead you to the customization area you've been searching for. Once the Change Theme option is selected, a new menu will appear, offering you a range of choices. Here, you can decide whether you want to liven things up with splashes of color, or perhaps choose a calming photo as a background for your list. You're now ready to make the change. Browse through the color options to find a hue that fits your mood and enhances your productivity. Alternatively, if a photo background is what you're after, select from the images provided. Each choice offers a different vibe, so take your time to find the perfect match for your personal or professional lists. Once you've made your choice, click to apply the new theme to your list. It's as simple as that. Your selection will immediately take effect, giving your Microsoft To Do list a fresh, updated look. If you find that you're not quite satisfied with your first pick, don't worry. You can easily repeat these steps as often as you like until you find the ideal theme. Changing the theme of your list is not only a way to express your style, but can also make task management a bit more enjoyable. So feel free to experiment and refresh your lists as often as you like. That's all there is to it. You've successfully personalized your Microsoft To Do with a new theme. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you on your journey to a more organized, colorful task management experience. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to share it with others who might benefit from a little theme change of their own.